the M16 and the M4, two of the most iconic American rifles of the modern era. From the jungles of Vietnam to the deserts of the Middle East, these rifles have shaped the battlefield. But what sets them apart? Why did the M4 replace the M16 in so many roles? In this video, we'll break it all down: history, design, performance, and battlefield use. Let's dive in. The M16 story begins in the late 1950s with the development of the Armalite AR-15. Lightweight, accurate, and chambered in the new 5.56 by 45 mm cartridge, it caught the eye of the U.S. military. Officially adopted during the Vietnam War as the M16, it replaced heavier rifles like the M14. Despite early reliability issues, the M16 would evolve into a battle-proven platform used by generations of American troops. The M16 is known for its long 20-inch barrel, fixed stock, and lightweight design. With a direct impingement gas system and modular construction, it's easy to maintain and customize. Over time, the rifle went through several versions, from the original M16 to the M16A1, A2, A3, and A4, each adding improvements like burst fire, heavier barrels, or rail systems for modern optics and accessories. By the 1990s, military operations were changing. Troops needed something shorter, lighter, and more maneuverable, especially for special operations, vehicle crews, and urban combat. The M4 carbine was born. Based on the M16, the M4 kept the same core mechanics but featured a shorter 14.5-inch barrel and a collapsible stock, making it ideal for close-quarters combat. So what's the real difference? Let's break it down. The M16 has a longer barrel, which gives it slightly better velocity and accuracy at long range. The M4, however, is more compact, allowing for faster movement in tight spaces. The collapsible stock gives it flexibility for different users and combat roles. While both use the 5.56 by 45 mm NATO round and share internal parts, the M4's size makes it more versatile for modern operations. When it comes to pure range, the M16 has the edge. Its longer barrel provides better bullet velocity, giving it more consistent performance at 500 to 600 meters. The M4, with its shorter barrel, has slightly reduced range and muzzle velocity, but it still performs well up to 300 to 400 meters. For most infantry engagements today, that's more than enough. Both rifles are selective fire, but their modes can vary depending on the variant. The M16A2 and M16A4 usually feature semi-automatic and 3-round burst. Some early M16s had full auto capabilities. The M4 comes in two primary versions: the standard M4 with burst fire and the M4A1 with full auto. Special operations units often prefer the M4A1 for its suppressor compatibility and automatic fire. One area where both rifles shine is modularity. Modern versions come with Picatinny rails or M-lock systems, allowing for the addition of optics, lasers, foregrips, lights, and more. The M4, thanks to its compact frame, is often the go-to for customizing. With the addition of SOPMOD kits, it can be transformed for nearly any mission, from CQB to designated marksman roles. In the field, both rifles have proven themselves across multiple conflicts. The M16 saw widespread use in Vietnam, the Gulf War, and the early days of Iraq and Afghanistan. The M4 took over as the U.S. military's primary rifle in the 2000s, especially among infantry and special forces. Its shorter profile made it ideal for operations in urban and mountainous terrain. While early M16s had reliability issues due to faulty ammunition and poor maintenance training, these were eventually solved. Today's M4 and M16 variants are incredibly dependable. However, the M4 has seen more evolutionary upgrades in recent years, such as improved bolt carriers, cold hammer forged barrels and better heat resistance, making it more adaptable to high-stress combat environments. Despite their success, the U.S. Army and other branches are now transitioning to new platforms like the XM7 rifle under the Next Generation Squad Weapon NGSW program. This doesn't mean the end for the M4 or M16, but their dominance may be nearing its twilight. Still, their legacy is undeniable, shaping decades of modern warfare. So, which rifle is better? The answer depends on the mission. The M16 brings long-range stability. The M4 offers adaptability and speed. Both are products of their time, but together they've written a major chapter in military history. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into legendary firearms.